Hi, this is Dallas, and this is a demonstration on how to send pictures with your computer, your laptop, or your desktop. This particular machine is running something called Windows Vista, and the technique I'm going to show you should work in all versions of Windows. You may see just a minor bit of differences with some of the displays, but the technique will work pretty well. Typically what happens is my pictures are stored in a folder somewhere, and I simply want to open the folder, mark the pictures that I want to send, and tell it to send. And here's how I do that. I use the Explorer program that's built into Windows. And the way you get to the Explorer program is you go down here to the Windows Start button, or the orb as it's now called, and you right mouse on that orb, and up comes an option called Explore, and I'm going to select Explore. So the Explore program, it's a little utility program. It launches and it gets settled down here, and I'm going to drop this down so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go up to my folders, and I happen to know that my pictures that I want to send are in all places called a picture folder. And I happen to be interested in this folder of February 2010. We had a lot of snow down here. So I want to send 4 of these pictures, and I'm going to show you a technique on how you can easily do that. On the keyboard, I'm a right-handed person, so I have the mouse in my right hand. On my keyboard, with my left hand, I'm going to hold down the CTRL key, or the control key. So I'm just going to hold it down and just keep my thumb on it, and I'm going to select with the mouse the pictures that I want to send, and I've selected these 4. Now I'm going to let go of the control key, and on any picture that I have selected, and you'll notice they are highlighted and they also have a checkbox, these are the ones that are going to get selected, I'm simply going to right mouse on any one of these pictures with the mouse, and up comes a dialog box, and I am looking for something called Send To. And if I hover on Send To, this little arrow means there are more options, and I want to send to a mail recipient. That's where I want these pictures to go. So I'm going to click Mail Recipient, and I'm prompted for what size pictures I want to send. Well, I suggest you send the smallest ones you can. And in this case, on this machine, it happened to be 640 by 480. So I'm going to just select this, and then I'm going to click the Attach button. Windows just selected those 4 pictures, and automatically it brought up the send portion of my email program. I happen to be using Windows Live for this particular machine. You might be using a different email program, and you'll get just a little different display, but basically all I have to do is include here into the To area the email address that I want these pictures sent. I'm going to send them to myself, so I'm going to send them to info, can't type. Oh, there I am anyway in my catalog, so I'm just going to send them to myself, hit the send button, and because I have the spell check on, it's going to do a lot of spell checking, and I'm just going to ignore everything that it asked me about spell checking to get beyond this. Alright, and off my pictures just went, and they'll be coming to me. So that's how easy you can send pictures within Windows, the tools that are already built into Windows Vista.